Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am sitting here in front of Dollar General. I'm about to go in and show you guys an incredible haul that I just put together. And guys, you are going to love this because you don't need any insert coupons. Now, some of the deals you can use insert coupons on, but you don't need any. All of the coupons are digital. They are in the DG app. So all you need to do is get your app out, take some screenshots, take some notes, clip those digital coupons, and get ready to save. So guys, I wanted to make this video for you because I've been concentrating on Walmart, CVS, and Rite Aid, and I haven't been to Dollar General in a long time, but I thought this would be a perfect time to come just to remind you guys that there are savings on the DG app. And also, I wanted to give some newbies an opportunity to learn how to use the Dollar General app and be able to save and see how you can save without buying insert coupons or printing coupons out. But also, guys, don't forget this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is one of Dollar General's biggest clearance events. So it's not only going to be 50% off of the items that are in clearance, but it's also going to be 50%, an additional 50% off of the items that are marked down throughout the store. So while you're going out and doing your Dollar General hauls, please take note of the different items that are marked down and that are in the clearance section so that you can come back and get them Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And make sure that you match up your paper coupons with them, because I've seen a lot of deals that you could get overage on, such as Pampers, some Huggies wipes, there's some Crest toothpaste, tons of dog food, some Dio soap. I mean, there's all kind of things, guys. There's even some Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. So just get ready to save a bunch this weekend. But in the meantime, you can go do this scenario that I put together for you. You don't have to wait until Saturday. So these deals you can do anytime, but if you choose to wait to Saturday, you just get an extra $5 off if you have a $5 off 25 coupon. So guys, as always, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so our first deal is going to be on this big Soleil razor. Please make sure you get this one and this one only. There are some other ones like the blue and purple. Those will not attach. They do not work on this deal. You want to grab this one, and it is going to go along with the $3 Dollar General store digital coupon. So make sure you click that coupon. This razor is $3.30. So after the digital coupon, you're going to pay 30 cents for this razor. So this is going to be our item in our cart. Okay, guys, so our next deal is going to be a combination deal because Dollar General is having a promotion where when you spend $8, you get $2 extra, $2 instant savings. And here it is right here. So when you spend $8, you get $2 extra. I keep wanting to say extra bucks because I'm thinking of CVS, but you get $2 instant savings, and that's on Tresemme, Axe, and Dove products. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of these hair masks. These are $2, and there is a $2 digital coupon to go with this. So that's going to make this absolutely free. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Dove bar soaps. Those are $3.50 a piece. I'm going to grab this scent. I never had mango butter. I'm going to try this though. But we're going to grab 2 of these. So those are $3.50 a piece. So that's $7. And then when we add the $7 to our $2, that comes to $9. So we meet the $8 threshold. So we're instantly going to save $2 on that. But then remember, we're going to get $2 savings on the Tresemme mask because that is actually a glitch. You get $2 off a Tresemme product. And then we're going to use the 2 off 2 Dove coupon from the app. So that's another $4 off, which is going to give us a total of $6 off our purchase of $9. Okay. All right, let's move on to our next deal. And remember, guys, all of our deals are digital, so you don't need any paper coupons. All you need is the DG app in your feet, and get ready to go save. So I'm just muddling around here to try to find things. Okay, guys, so our next item is also a freebie. So you're going to pick up one of these Febreze plugs, and then there is the $3 digital coupon to go along with this. So this is absolutely free. This is going to be an incredible haul, guys. I can't wait till you guys see what it comes out to in the end. Okay, guys, so here's our next deal. We're going to get a bottle of Purex. You have to make sure that it is the 57 ounce and make sure it says Mountain Breeze. And you're going to use the $2 digital coupon out of the app for this. And even on the digital coupon, it says it has to be Mountain Breeze. So make sure it's that, and make sure it's the 57 ounce. And as you can see, they have it ticketed in the store. It's $4.50. You're going to use the $2.50 digital coupon, and you're just going to pay $2 for this bottle of Purex. Okay, guys, so our next deal is on the Wick Starter Kit. So there's the digital coupon for that. These are going to come down to $1.85 after your digital coupon, which is a great price for these Wick Starter Kits. So we're going to throw it in a cart. And our next deal is going to be on the Fabuloso, and you can get a couple different scents. You can get the antibacterial, you can get the baking soda, and the purple. Those right there, the lavender. Then they have the lemon. They have the bleach alternative. But I'm going to get the antibacterial, and you're going to make sure that you clip the digital coupon for $1. They're regularly $2.85, but with the digital coupon, you're only going to pay $1.85. So we're going to put it in the cart and move on to our next deal. Our next deal is on the Mr. Clean original magic erasers. So they are regularly $3, but this week they're on sale for two for $5. You're going to grab 2 of these, and you're going to use the digital coupon, which is going to give you $2 off. So that's going to make 2 of these just $3. So that's like buying one and getting one free. So we're going to put them in the cart. All right, we're at our next deal, guys, and this one is not only a glitch, but a double dipper, I guess you would say. But you're going to grab the Folgers roast for $1, okay? You're going to grab 2 of them. And then you're going to clip both of the Folgers coupons that are $1. Now, the coupons are for the K-Cups, but they actually work on these. So this is 2 freebies, so go and grab them. Okay, guys, so I know the kids have been eating up tons of cereal since they've been home and since the pandemic, and now school's about to be out. So this is a great way for you guys to stock up on some cereal, okay? So let me show you the deal. The deal is Kellogg's cereals are regularly 2 for $5 anyway, but they are on sale right now, 3 for $6. So that's an even better deal. And then you're going to use the 2 $1 coupons to combine with this deal. Now, there's only certain cereals that work, so make sure that you scan which cereals that you want to get to make sure that they work. So I'm going to grab the 3 things of Raisin Bran. So both of the dollar coupons are going to attach. So I'm actually going to get 3 boxes of cereal for $4. Excellent, excellent, excellent price. I had my camera down here at this Raisin Bran, but it's not that one, guys. It's this one. The 16.6 ounce. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so not the family size, but this size. So I'm going to grab 3 of these and put them in the cart. Okay, guys, so this is our next item. It is the Dial body wash. It's located in the travel section, and it is $1.50, but you're going to clip that $1 coupon, so that's going to make that $2.50. This is great for traveling, going to the beach, overnight bags, things like that, going to the gym. So go ahead and grab that. This is a glitch, so don't be asking people at the store where why don't you guys have any more doll samples or doll travel sizes. We don't want to give our glitches away. Alrighty, guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to head up to the register. So let's review what all we have. So we have the 2 bars of soap, the 2 Mr. Cleans, the Febreze plug, the 3 things of cereal, the Tresemme mask, the 2 things of coffee, the Wick plug, the soleil razor, the Purex detergent, and the Fabuloso. So let's go see what our damage is. Okay, guys, so I am back in the car. So let's go over the receipt. So there's the Purex with that was $4.50. You see the $2.50 digital coupon came off of that. There's the Fabuloso for $2.85. The $1 digital coupon came off of that. You have the Folgers instant coffee for $1, and the digital coupon came off of that. Febreze plug warmer, which was on sale for $3. The $3 digital coupon came off. The Bic razors were $3.30. The $3 digital coupon came off of that. Then you have another Folgers instant coffee, and the digital coupon did not come off of that one. So I'm not sure what happened with that, because in the store it attached to both of them. So, oh well, that's fine. The Wick oil kit was $3.35. We got the $1.50 digital off of that. The Mr. Clean magic erasers were 2 for $5. You see all kind of discounts. You see the 25-cent discount, then you see the $2 digital, then you see a 75-cent discount. When you add all of that up, the Mr. Clean magic erasers come down to 2 for $3. So it can be a little confusing. And then you have the Kellogg's Raisin Bran ringing up at $3. Then you see the different store discounts coming off of that. 25 cents, 75 cents, then $1. Then you see the other Kellogg's Raisin Bran, and 37 cents came off of that one, and $1.12 off of that. The next Kellogg's Raisin Bran, you have 38 cents coming off of that, and $1.13. But when you add them all up, it's 3 boxes of cereal for $4. Then you have the Dove soap, which was $3.50. You have all kind of store discounts coming off of that, 42 cents, $2, and there's the other Dove mango soap for $3.50. The store coupon of $1 came off of that. You have the Dial body wash for $1.50, and the $1 digital came off of that. And then the Tresemme mask, which was $2, and the store discount of 50 cents. But when you add it all up, all of the store discounts and coupons came off, and the only thing that didn't work was that second Folgers coffee. So the one that I know that did come off was the ones that had the K-cups. So definitely get that one. So my subtotal was $19.50. We're not going to talk about tax. You know, we never talk about tax because everyone's tax is different depending on where you live. And then I had a total savings of $25. So guys, I'd say that this was definitely a great haul. You can do this deal any day of the week. You don't have to wait for a particular day. But if you do it on Saturday, you'll save another $5. So then your total would be $14.50. Or you can break it up and not get as many items and make it into 2 different transactions. So it's totally up to you. But guys, as always, I thank you so much for watching my channel and for tuning in. I hope you guys are able to go out and do these deals. Again, these are deals that are for digital coupons only. There are some printable coupons for these, but you don't need the printables. All you need is the DG app, and you can save. And remember, do not throw your receipt away, because there is a 5 off 25 at the bottom of the receipt, and that is for this Saturday. And also, guys, to combine this with the great clearance sale they're having this Saturday. The clearance sale is actually Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you can get $25 worth of clearance items and get an extra $5 off. So guys, as always, thank you so much and keep on saving.